حبه. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making some Ramadan special dishes. So that dish is going to be Channa Chaat. And here are the rest the ingredients that I'm going to use. I've got 3 packs of chickpeas. I've got tamarind sauce, also known as Imli. I've got black pepper. I've got Himalayan pink salt. I've got some lemon dressing. I've got freshly cut coriander. I've got one tomato chopped, diced. I've got Channa Chaat Masala. This is the main masala that we're going to use today. And I've got half a red onion chopped, and I've got 1/2 a white onion chopped, and I've got 2 chilies thinly cut. So these are the ingredients that we're going to be using today. Okay guys, now we're going to add in some olive oil, just a hint. That should be enough. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add in some some white onions. Add all of that in. We just need to mix it for about 2 minutes. Right guys, now it's time to add in the chickpeas. So just add in the chickpeas with the water. That's 1. Add in the other 2 packs. That's 2. And now the final one. We will need to add in some salt as well. The chickpeas in the tin, they don't have the salt already in there, so that should be enough for now. Keep it on medium heat, medium to high heat. Place the lid and leave it until the water's evaporated well and the chickpeas have softened. Okay. Now, as you can see guys, the water's dried up well. I can just leave this, I can turn off the heat and leave it to a side and leave it for about 10 minutes for it to cool down. In the chickpeas that we cooked nicely. So I'll put all that into a separate bowl here. Put it in, put it all the way in. Now that the chickpeas have been added in, we just need to add in and start by adding in some of the Channa Masala. So put the Channa Masala in. Following by that, we'll put in some red onions which we chopped previously. All that in there. And then after that, we'll put in the green chilies that we thinly sliced. And thereafter then we're going to put in the chopped tomatoes. I'm not going to use all of the fresh coriander. I'm going to use some for toppings after. So I'm going to put in a little bit of coriander. Just sprinkle it on. I think that should be okay. Moving on now, we're going to put in some black pepper. Some black pepper. Should be enough. Now a bit of Himalayan pink salt. This is Himalayan pink salt, if you guys don't know. Some of this one. Should be okay. And now I'm just gonna drizzle on a little bit of lemon dressing. And that should be alright as well. Now, the final part, this is the main part that really flavors up the Channa Chaat, is the tamarind sauce, also known as Imli Sauce. So I'm going to put in 3 tablespoons of Imli sauce in here. Bismillah. That's 1. So 1 spoon and then another spoon. 3. 1 more. I think it's just about enough, and that's 3 tablespoons. I think I just might as well finish it all in, put it all in. There's nothing left to put in, but Yeah, that's everything. But just use 3 tablespoons if anything, and just take off the remaining bit of the tamarind sauce on the spoon, and that's it. And now it's all ready to have a nice mix. Okay, now mix it so all of the ingredients are well combined. Ensure it's mixed really well. Oh, honestly, if you guys can smell that, it smells amazing. I cannot tell you how nice this smells. And smelling this, it just reminds you like Ramadan. Yeah, this is the Ramadan vibe. Like this is what you look forward to in Ramadan. Like the food, the smell, and it's just amazing. Now to just drizzle on the remaining fresh coriander. So just sprinkle it on. So not drizzle it on. Sprinkle it on all the way around. And there you have it. There you have it, guys. That's your Channa Chaat ready. Look at that. Watch out, look at that. It looks amazing. Wow. There you have it, guys. A completed Channa Chaat. Looking forward to this during iftari time. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Jazakallah for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.